I don't know, Keith, when I walked outside today a couple of times, it was the wind that hit me and I was like,
Yeah.
whoa.
Yeah.
It's cold.
You think this is bad? Wait
No,
until
right, not terrible.
Thursday and Friday. That's going to be like legitimately cold. And in between,
Frigid.
we're going to have snow somewhere. We're going to talk about.
Where though?
We're going to talk
Where
about
will
that.
it be?
That's the tough part. We haven't been challenged that much this winter, so I can't complain. As
Very
weather
true.
people,
You've had a really
it's been-
easy job
I actually
this
don't.
winter, Keith.
I don't like this. This is like the season where I look forward to being challenged, and it just hasn't worked out. So here we go. We got something. Visible satellite showing clear skies over southern Maine. The rest of us partly cloudy. Here's our little system. Now look, the system itself is not really that dynamic. It's basically a little clipper that's going to shift towards us tomorrow. The issue is going to be a redeveloping low that's going to try to happen on Wednesday night. You'll see this in a moment here on the computer model. So our hour forecast tonight, quiet, temperatures down to about freezing, couple snow showers possible. And tomorrow is cloudy with isolated rain showers along the coast, isolated snow showers inland. Neither of those, though, I think will be all that impactful, and there won't be all that many of them. So I think it's pretty quiet during the day. Now tomorrow night what happens is this low comes over us, and the models insist that, this is going to get really nerdy, but this is the only way I know how to explain this. There's something called a vortex. It's a piece of energy in the atmosphere. It's going to come down and redevelop somewhere. So the question is, where exactly is that? It becomes this little bowling ball of precipitation. And so this particular model redevelops that bowling ball along the coast, which would mean several inches of snow possible here Wednesday night, Thursday along the coast. Other reliable models, like the European model, develop that little bowling ball up here in the mountains. And so that's what we're trying to figure out. I lean more towards it being in the mountains and foothills because we've got a northwest wind too, and that tends to be drying as it goes downhill. But it's tough, and you can see that here on Thursday morning, this model thinks it's snowing relatively aggressively along the coastline. So what does that look like? I think if that develops where I expect it to, we could be looking at over 6 inches of snow in the mountains. But keep in mind, that can shift if that low goes with it. So we have to keep an eye on that Wednesday night, Thursday. We don't have much time left, but frankly, every computer model is in a different spot here, 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 and that's just really hard to suss out. To add to the fun, we've got another storm coming on Saturday. That one is a little bit easier to figure. It looks like right now it'll be a period of snow Friday night through Saturday, and that looks like, off the top of my head, guys, 3 to 6 inches is possible there. In between, we're going to blow Coco's face off when he walks outside on Thursday and Friday. It's going to be in the 20s and 30s. Winds will be very aggressive, especially in the mountains where they could gust up to 50 miles an hour. So winter's back here.
Yeah, all thanks to that Vortnox or whatever.
Vortmax.
Vortmax, right.
You know, do you remember the Northern Trough situations? Like it's a type of weather phenomenon where there's a very narrow band of heavy snow, and it's notoriously difficult to forecast, and I hate it. This feels like that Wednesday night, Thursday. Hopefully we can get some additional clarity tomorrow and see. Because if the mountains get 10 inches of snow, I don't think they're going to complain. If we put 5 on the coast on Thursday morning, that's going to be trouble.
Yeah, a little bit. All right.
Yeah.
Keep looking for us, Keith. We appreciate it.